I'm on a hunt for a clogged line in my house. I have this hose opened up, and you can see that the amount of water is very low, the volume. Okay, so I want to walk into the garage and show you where the hose is connected. It's connected right up here on the top of the my little settling tank here. And I'm gonna turn it off now just so the water pump doesn't come back on. But I wanted to show you that because there are only two reasons for us to have such low flow in this house, and that is a clogged pipe or a bad well. But if I disconnect this and reattach it over by the well, you'll see over there we have really good pressure, which, you know, obviously we should. So this is right out of the expansion tank here. And if I turn this on now, you'll see that hose out there is, well, it was, see how hard it's coming out now? That's the way it should be in that other pipe. So, turn that off. And the reason I showed you that other connection is if we follow that pipe out of the expansion tank, it goes down back to the wall and up, runs across behind the softener, behind the charcoal filter, and then it takes a right and comes up here, past my chlorinator, and down into my settling tank. So, that's the only pipe in between here, this valve, and the pump. So obviously, that's the clogged pipe down there, that one that's running across down there. So I'm going to take that pipe out and we'll see what we get.